Dear visitor, Nahu here. I am proud to welcome you along with my business partner Kevin McLeanahan. Back in 2006, I started my career on internet business by writing articles on my blog. My articles got top rank on Google and I started to earn through AdSense. Keep in mind, I knew nothing about SEO at that time. Once my AdSense campaigns began to make me money, right away I began to calculate my future commissions. So, if I write 5 to 8 articles for my blog, I receive about $100 commissions per month. So, if I created 5 more articles, then my commissions would be $200 a month. Then, for 5 to 8 more articles, my commissions would be $300 a month, and so on. I had my future all mapped out. Finally, I could gain some traction making money online. However, after just 2 months, my AdSense account got blocked and my commission door was shut. I couldn't figure out why my AdSense account was blocked. All the time and effort writing articles, and now I had no way to monetize the work. Earning affiliate commissions became like seeing a rare unicorn for me. All of my friends posted their wins and success every day. At the same time, my account had been blocked and I was unable to make my affiliate commissions. This really began to eat my morale and motivation. If I am being honest with you, I confess that I even jumped into some black hat methods and lost money. I couldn't face my friends and family when they asked about my internet business. I spent a lot of time and money purchasing one course after another, studying one method after another with no results. Tried all the tricks, hacks and strategies, nothing worked for me. Some who read this may have had a similar experience. You may have already tried and spent money on solo ads, Facebook ads, CPA marketing, Google ads, Facebook group posting, black hat methods, but the final result is zero. I had a breakthrough. Yes, I finally figured it out and I came out of this hell. The good news, I am going to share my results with you. Finally, the financial freedom I have pursued for years is coming my way, including be your own boss, schedule your work whenever you need, spend more time with your family, donate money to the charity of your choosing, live a life without a budget, travel when you like, leave a legacy for your kids. See, since my first breakthrough, I have realized 2 things you need to know. Number 1, you don't need to pay for traffic to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars per day online. Number 2, you can easily access 5 billion visitors per month and a traffic loophole that ethically sends you buyers who are ready, willing, and able to make a purchase. But frustration was never ending until I found the right coach to learn from. My mentors taught me the right way to earn affiliate commissions. Hence, my results looks like this. I spent several $1,000s looking for the right mentor to help me earn money online. The good news, I don't need to spend all your time and money, because I researched and figured out the blueprint and framework to build a successful internet business. The best thing with this blueprint is anyone can do this and easily scale to multiply the commissions. We have put together a step-by-step video course that reveals the entire method. How would you like to spend 1 hour per day and begin to see results right away, even if you are a newbie? Make the wise decision to grab this today. It will change your life forever, just like it has mine. Introducing Rich Riser. Say goodbye to frustration and empty commissions and hello to passive affiliate commissions from free buyer traffic. Rich Riser shows you how to do affiliate promotions the right way. Inside it, you will get step-by-step training that teaches you the exact framework I used to earn commissions. This blueprint is the result of hundreds of hours of research and tens of thousands invested. Number two, access all the resources I use that you will need as well to bring this blueprint into action and get you the results you deserve. My own 385 case study with proof. Inside this case study, you will see everything I used from product selection to promotional and traffic methods that actually work. Leading brands are using the same blueprint in their own way. Here's the deal. Unlike the methods behind most training courses that can quickly saturated or outdated, this method works right now, it works today, it will work tomorrow, and it will work months and years to come. You can easily scale this to a 6-figure per year income in 12 months or less. Plus, you can literally implement this in less than 60 minutes. You are getting something which cost me thousands of dollars to discover and countless hours of my time. I had to hire a coach for huge investment to gain the insights I am about to share with you. But I don't want you to suffer like I did. I am handling you a method for conservatively making passive income in a silver platter. And you are getting for a tiny one-time investment which is less than the price of a family pizza. It's time to get rid of your frustration, instead unleash the power of the Rich Riser. Click the button below to get Rich Riser for a tiny one-time fee.